The Library of Congress receives hundreds of thousands of questions each year from curious minds around the world. Reference librarians and subject specialists from across the library are ready and waiting to help you find the information you need. The easiest way to ask us a question is online through our Ask a Librarian service. This free service is available to anyone, anywhere. Let's begin on the Ask a Librarian homepage at ask.loc.gov. Here we are on the Ask a Librarian homepage. To get started, I will select Ask a General Question. Sending us a question is as easy as typing it in the box. I'll try. Is it true Susan B. Anthony was known for her red shawl? Complete the form by entering the rest of your information. Once you have filled in the required fields indicated by a red asterisk, click Ask Your Question to finish. A librarian will send a full response generally within 5 business days or less. If you have a specific reading room you would like to consult, navigate to the Ask a Specialist tab. For example, if you had a question about Civil War era photographs, you may wish to send your question to the Prints and Photographs division. If you are not sure which link to choose, don't worry. Go ahead and select Ask a General Question, and Library of Congress librarians will direct your question where it needs to go. Whatever your question, our reference librarians are ready and waiting to provide you with the information you need. So go ahead and ask a librarian.